CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors Halatko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish Ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Kadin Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushalya Yojana SIRD Nongsder hagalai potrik unai leber arajar arpuar kala pendong ye ka job mela na ka benta ki khna ki basong basa hakisnong nongkendong bat ki bamdon kam don jam da ka ba pentep saphang ki lat Wadkam ki ba bonjai ya gani ka job mela bala penlong hamadan jong ka Saint Paul Parish Nongpo la plipat ba do Deputy Commissioner jong ka Ribhoi District Arpit Upadhyaya Hagani ke job mela ki Samla ki layo lat banjit hi ya ki Jingtip baki mon banagaliang jong ka Med Plus kala khot rungkam hado Ngut ki Samla hagani hi kasngi
the in charge position. So this will help you. So just you cannot directly go to the top, right? To go to the top you have to start from the ground level. So myself I have worked for now 14 years. Just completing my graduation, I joined a company called Ngut. So from there I started working. So you also have to start from the ground. Okay. So my suggestion is till we have an office out there in Jowai, we are planning for Jowai, Nongpo and all these areas. Till we have the office, try to get yourself engaged in those which I told you. There is the office of Shadow.
Today we are here to recruit few candidates because Meghalaya government they organize a job fair and here they invited us for recruitment and we are here actually we have around 50 vacancy including Meghalaya and Guwahati also, and we are giving package around 12,000 CTC that will be included PF and ESIC. And apart from that incentive will be there apart from their performance, and as soon as they perform well we promote them accordingly. First of all they have to recruit as a sales associate, and then if they perform well within 6 months then we will promote them in team leader and store manager. Those who are coming for this thing for interview from the various PI, we will directly recruit. VMART is a concept where main concept is the mall basis like Vishal's, Big Bazaar and all. So we have two company, one is VMART and one is DMART. DMART is a sister company, but till now it's not open in Northeast, but in Northeast only VMART is there. So VMART we are looking for mainly clothing and home equipment. So first of all we are focusing on that only, and here we are focusing to if someone is went for the marketing and all, so price is there. Sometimes they want to take good things, but for the price they cannot take. But in VMART we are looking after that matter, and we are trying to give good quality in good price so that everyone can enjoy with the good quality of the equipment. We have 3 outlets. One outlet in Jowai. In Meghalaya we have only one, and 2 outlets in Guwahati. But very soon we are going to open 2 more outlets in Meghalaya only. One is in Shillong and another one is in Tura. So it is under processing. So it will be closed down within this year only. For Jowai maximum candidate is from Meghalaya only. We have around 120 employees. So everyone is from Meghalaya only. In various places of Meghalaya, from Jowai, from Jayantia, from Shillong, from Tura. And for Guwahati also we have 10% candidate from Meghalaya. They are working in our outlet. Mainly we need a minimum qualification of 12 because they have to understand how they have to deal with the customer, they have to how to speak with the customer, how they will present the things with customer, and for that they have little bit qualified, because when we are train them we need little bit qualified because we are dealing with the primary thing, not like the normal things. Okay. Yeah, yesterday only I had a talk with Dipti. I got wrong then, right?
mentai ki beri ki balong interested ban try hapo ki home care sector. Abang ki home care sector kemudian ban provide ya ka care hapo yendai ya kini ki bapang di bestam. Ba kini ki beri dan ki beri ki temen ki all age people kemudian ya kira. Nomor ki all the time ni dan kinongkang ni ngimna ban bu sa ki hapo hospital ni nama full time nadangi po hospital pun terkat di kabel kelak yang national ni ting nama ba kita nongkang ndai ba ba kidon kam ban yo drip ni ban yo injection man kasni at a certain period of time kat kong kapor ni kin sakot hi kita kipar ban di dawai kin sakot hi tu kapor ban injek kat ba ndak kila le chiyam pat ni kidon kam ba tu ka kete kidon kam ba manu ban pai nongkom hayem ni lada dan bapang kemat iwi ibri ti habdan ba balong responsible ni ban pen ai dawai ban pen biang ya kabam ka di jampi di kalong komtah ya pokok kes ba ni try tang long chicken kadang time 8 to 8 dan ni dari tu aspat kemat round the clock baru sini chicken ada ai posting fish ti yo hat kayen baru si yo pun try Once the sugar kumno, chicken ada lagi beri bapang sini, nama ini beri bapang sini kilong beri peruan ban mong. Dah datang ku tak hendak ni, chicken kumnga yang ini dah dapat kata pijuni tang arsni ke ajam ini beri badan sini ni di jam kuai. Nama bakal bang atau sini kamu cuba beri. Nak dah long ini tu extra care.
Kamtam lain tak sini kan kum ka program kum ka job mela ne kade ka we na ki program ki ba ngi ki nang Wadkam ro ngso ba kade kalat ba pli de ka good opportunity nam ta chingi ro te na kaliang jang sngo ban ai ka jing kuble ro nam ta ki ba pa panlong ikne ka program mar kade sha ka program ka ba im sim jing ro kamtam lai ngi ka bum dan kam dan jam teng sngo ba kene ka singi kade ka singi ka ba kalat ka pli ngi la ka banta ban ya kam ya jam ini kalian juga hing syah wede bukan program mencual lej sakoi ka bentama ka training tang ba ngasno ba kampal suk shu inga kene siki ba nganjit kene ka hospitality namar ba por mencual ngna trai kum ka ki hotel te ngasnat ba ngasno ba kan kamsuk inga bantrai ha kene ka hospitality namar ba kam dan experience ya ban hotel ber ki hotel te ngasngo ba bang interest kene ka hospitality ni haging shahi kyong kene ka 100% job placement ba te dan kam training issue namar ba kam tam lenga ki ang bala tre hotel te kan suk hi sibun wala ngateri hoing lateri sene tang ba stay ngan long kum fresh tang ba la kam suk inga kene namar ba ngateri hotel kyong sabar meskum Hyderabad Chennai ta ka placement ma kyong yang aing lasno ba kade ka wai kalat yang abang yo ban travel mes tamar ba jing dengar kalah dengar ngas kontrat ban travel tekum kene ka por leng yo ka opportunity ban etre bad ha ju ka por ngas ba nam ta jang ka travel bad ha ju por bas kontrat tam kade bangan letre bangan yo experience ld bad kade hi aba ngisto abang le don ha ka kam bad kade hi kalat bangin kemai pisa te ngaso kemen bad ngarasno tanat ya sibun bangan yo letre sabar ta de ngaso jangan industri yang ba first salary kan deh ispe hajar kan to tengah sem bakal biang namar bahrin ka jingtip se ngatre kamha te kinsa increase ka salary ro te nga expect bukan nang kai
Mama sini ka job mera ka pelong yang ni kena samla bilin yuk men siam namar ba bun yang ni kena samla hasilong ni bun bangim ju kam ke government te lingba kan ni pat ke job mela yo company badet baria ni yo benjang ni kejak kitira jong ban kerjaan ki men ki para kamtam ki badok ka kamno interested kan ni logistic kan dia hapok Guwahati ke dia jong ki retail sale
nang juga tengah sengaja bolong si bentamu yang di Samla kamtam di bawah yo ini ke kam sarkar kami yo di kalau kakak siar ni kan bangun yo bangun membagi company mau kamtam kenika di UG kuai kepada company kepala itu lah government di lomba jom kini ni kemudian lagi banang kendang mayu itu pat banyak kini kam di negara juga saya apa ni ki bom don jam ke ban persang ni ki jet kamu lah kilo bentaro berkasong ruh di jat kamu ki bangi sio yahap ladang dik ada training ne gom training ne hak banjit ikini ki post te ta ta kesyong hak jing mur berkat jing hi nomor ladang to ban cubum ban abdukan jan mane ban sumar ki nom pak jing breu ta ban kini mobile repairing ke itu mo electronic repairing naglang kecuki jepensia cuki te kabiang hi tama naglang jungi pat kasyong hi pat ka decision bagian rai badang jadi mulai te naglang jepensia cuki te kabiang ka bai dei bolka qualification kisim na tu pass te ya jingtrai kan ka judge company la badang barbor ya jingtrai ngimla kan apo ko jungka state media ji nomor kum kini judge jingtrai ki kibun ki jingtrai ki badan syabat Bisa Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, utama, udah sepuluh des, kami kalian juga. Di sisi perkat asal jenjar nomor balong ni bana saat nak kandung serno jenjar ban travel city segi behemo. Tidak ada long kapla tenak lagi sini tiba nak ni hanya ribu sini. Dua iba ngiru ini kami agak hanya North East dan agak hanya Meghalaya sini. Mungkin yang nama ni kinong Krishnong jong Meghalaya ngilap mungkin yang Wadkam dan yang company. Ya kejat training ngar mensuang lagi training teng. Te mensuang lagi jongga frontline hang bokar jongga hospital tu. Te hang tu ngihap training lagi. Andang lah ada training lagi berai. Kemudian dia placement ini apa? Nala ada training nala pas ini exam gay. Tinggal masuk punya placement.
Actually, this job mela we are conducting to facilitate our students who have, taken training under DDUGY program, and after this COVID scenario, they have to come back to the state because of this pandemic. So now we are planning to put them in the job again through these our partners which we have called today for this job mela. We have our own team in districts and blocks. Okay, so we have in each district we have district program managers, and then in each block we have block coordinators. So they go and do the mobilization program and awareness program about our programs. So we have service partners which are called PIA, Project Implementing Agency. They give training under various sectors. There are almost 250 plus jobs sectors are available under which they provide the job. So the students, when they come for awareness program and during the mobilization camps, so we do a aptitude test for them. So there itself they reflect their interest in which sector they want to go according to their qualification and all that. Then after the test, if we found them eligible, so we recommend to the different our service partners to give training. And the training ranges from 3 months to 1 year. This is called short term, mid term and long term courses. So it depends upon the course nature and the qualification. Accordingly they select their training, whether they will go for long term or mid term or short term. Right from class 5 onwards till 12th past. So, and we also concentrate on dropout candidates from the rural areas. Our target are the rural unemployed youths who are from the BPL family. So those are the targets. So once they are brought to the training center, they are given training according to their whatever they have selected the sector, and then after the training, the main aim is to place them for job. So that each PIA has to place minimum 70% of the students, then only they will get their responsibility. Yeah, we are active in this sector since 2017-18 onwards. So far we have trained more than 4,000 students, and we have placed more than 2,000. So, but due to this COVID, lot of students have come back. So for that purpose, to give them job again, we have organized this job mela. This is also a part of our Within our state or within even Northeast also, we don't have much opportunity. So our students have to go to outside. So for that also we keep tracking through our PIA or through our team. We keep tracking of the students. Then we give them support also, which is called post placement support. Like if they are in outside Northeast, they get post placement support for 6 months, 1,000 per month. Then also we provide them mobile for their mobile expenditure 50 rupees per month, so that we can call them in their mobiles and find out about their business. Apart from that, some of the employers, they are, especially in the apparel sector, they are providing the hostel within their campus itself. So in that way, most of our girls, especially the girls who go out, they are secure also, and the retention is also quite high. And their safety measures are taken, and the monitoring is also and tracking is done by our teams.
So we have a warehouse of around 1,50,000 square feet in Guwahati. So where we handle the entire shipments of Northeast region. So basically, since Guwahati is the gateway of Northeast, so we have planned a big hub out there to ensure that there is no any disrupted services. We have proper sorting and connections of all the shipments for our entire Northeast region. So we have currently around 125 delivery centers across Northeast, where we are covering approx more than 25,000 pin codes in entire Pan India. Okay, so besides that, we are serving big clients like Flipkart, Amazon, and Misho. So they are our major clients, and also Myntra. And we are planning to expand in Meghalaya in locations like Jowai, Nongstoin, Sora, and this one, Sora is the Cherapandi, and here Nongpo. So these are few locations which are in the pipeline, and we are planning to start our own office in these locations. And that's why we come out today to look for job opportunities. If we can have some good candidates who can preferably join our organizations and be a valuable asset for us. Qualification, basically the initial matriculation is the qualification for the riders, or you can say the field executive and high secondary. And initially, where I can see that most of them are freshers, so in this industry basically we need to have some ground knowledge. So we will induct them as a field executive initially, and later on we can find that they are very much have the capability in them to lead a team, to lead an office. Then we can promote them further. They can have future growth as well. Basically, these we deliver shipments. I think you're aware there's e-commerce logistics. We into e-commerce logistics. Okay, so that is means whenever you go in a platform of Flipkart, Amazon, or Misho, so there you can when you purchase something, so do that particular product is being packed by that organization, and it's handed over to us. So from Bangalore or Delhi, it gets dispatched for Northeast via trucks or via air, flights. So we bring it to our office here in Guwahati, and there we do the processing. That means we get mix-up load for all the entire Northeast region. So we do the segregation out there, and then we dispatch it for the particular delivery centers or the locations we have. And then the delivery happens to the last mile delivery to the door-to-door customer delivery happens from our delivery center. Yeah, as of now we have around 15-20 guys. They have come here, boys and girls both are there. So basically they are looking for a back office job, which I could understand. So in logistics, a back office job is basically for experienced guy, those who can handle the team, right? So I've told them that you just have a basic knowledge, do some field deliveries, learn what is happening on the ground, and then you can, on basis of your merit, on your qualification and your ability, then you can rise up, right? So also we offered few jobs for girls who come out here in our Guwahati office. So they don't have to go in the field. They have to just work inside our premises in the warehouse, inside the warehouse. We are in the expansion from, I think, 100 plus delivery centers are being planned across northeastern region. So in this part of the world, that means in this area, especially for Meghalaya and Assam bordering, is nearby only. So we are preferring for our Guwahati office as well, and also in Meghalaya we are expanding. So basically they can't go to Manipur and Arunachal to work, right? It's feasible for them to work up. Guwahati is okay. Till Guwahati they can go and work, which I have come to know from them. And if we have offices in the locality in here itself, then it's more feasible for them. So since it's in the pipeline to open offices out here, so we need to wait for some time. But we may get the placement done in Guwahati. And in Shillong, if they want to go for field delivery, we'll have a training from 10 to 15 days out there in our office itself before we hand over them to there are special areas where we need to work inside the premises. So first we will give them proper training for 10 to 15 days, and after that they will be inducted to the mainstream operations. Salary is basically in the field executive you have, sorry, as per the minimum wages of the government of that particular of the state, and we have PF and ESIC, all the compliance which is required for them. So as you know that ESIC and PF is also very much important for all this because in terms of any illness and all, ESIC provides a very support, right, to them. So we have that option as well with us. The company provides only the salary, and we have a night shift allowance with us additional to the salary. We have a 24/7 warehouse running out there. So we don't have that for girls. The night shift is not there for girls, but for the boys we have the night shift. So in case in a month, generally 10 to 15 days they have to work in the night shift as well. So if they work in the night shift, they get an additional 70 rupees per day.
Job mela ng stunat mo maringi kwa ekakam te ngi select manta bat stunat hi banyo batre
shape sha select
sa bangdilor
kadai jong ka eka
jong pharmacy ka biang hi siu ma indo training po sipnai te ka training ruki ai stipend hi sipnai training